Well, we'll see what happens. I didn't bring my other camera out because it's blowing so much, but we have a mix out here now. It's raining pretty hard, but there's a definite snowflakes in there, and it's 42 degrees right now, but the wind is icy. So we'll see. We're supposed to get a snowstorm tonight, and with it feeling this cold, I could see it. Hi, Buck. Is it snowing? Sit. Sit. Is it snowing? Yeah, it's snowing, huh? Sit. Sit. That's it. Sit. Bobby, sit. 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 Good girl. Yeah, it's snowing. Yep, we'll see what it looks like in the morning. But it's definitely snowing tonight, huh? Yeah. So look what happened while we were sleeping. And it's starting to melt a little bit, but we got about 4.5 inches. And definitely a nice snow. And the puppies have decided it's really nice on the porch where there's no snow. We've got 3 of them that won't go. Simba, Buck, and Peter. So yeah, it's a good snow, and it's still snowing, and it's supposed to snow for a couple more hours. It's supposed to get to 16 tonight, so I don't think it's going to be melting tonight. And the puppies don't care that there's snow everywhere. It's still coming down. Happy Valentine's Day for us. Okay, now we got snow starting on our next snowstorm. Everything else, of course, is melted. Well, here I am out in the barn, get my chores done. Snow a little harder than it was earlier, but there was a few minutes that we had like a blizzard going, but it's still 36 degrees, so still not sticking much, but it's starting to. If you look on the barbecue thing over there, you can tell it's starting to stick. So, and up on the roof of the nursery. But yeah, it's got a ways to go to be a problem driving and to be sticking deep on the ground. It's actually sticking on the grass, you can see over there by the nursery. But anyway, we're supposed to have a lot of snow by morning. So we'll see if they're right this time. Still, it's snowing pretty steady now, but it's still pretty small flakes. And it's not sticking very good yet. If you see on the barbecue thing, it is. But what was sticking on the ground kind of melted. And yes, Monkey is out here getting attention. But yep, just the start. Yeah, bigger flakes now. It's coming down pretty good. Starting to stick right away. Well, it's kind of like I figured. If the flakes were a little bigger, it'd start sticking right away. Look what has happened in about 5 minutes. The flakes got bigger and immediately started snowing and sticking all over everything, the ground too. See how fast Buddy gets covered again. He just shook off. Yep, coming down fast. Yeah, I think it's going to build pretty fast. What do you think of that? It's all wet, huh? Is it all wet? Yeah? So it did snow a lot over the night. So look at the railings. Have to see how deep it is when we go measure, and I'll let you know. But yep, the rose bush is most much down covered, and the puppies are having lots of fun in it. But yep, now it looks like winter. There goes Buddy with the puppies. The railings back here are covered too now that we don't have a tree back here. Thought I'd show you the backyard. Yep. It's pretty.